Many animals can glide from a high branch by catching a breeze, but generating the sustained power required for true flight is an incredibly rare physical accomplishment. Across the entire animal kingdom, the bat is the only mammal to successfully achieve powered flight. Mammals are naturally poorly suited for the air. We possess dense, heavy bones, maintain a high-energy, warm-blooded metabolism, and carry the weight of live developing young within our bodies. Unlike a bird, a bat couldn't simply grow a layer of aerodynamic feathers. It had to completely redesign the standard mammalian body from scratch. To survive in the wild, the bat had to overcome two massive biological hurdles: mastering the gravity of the sky and mastering the total darkness of the night. The first challenge is purely mechanical, adapting a mammalian's anatomy to generate lift and propulsion. This diagram reveals bat wings are incredibly thin sheets of skin stretched tightly between the animal's fingers. The structure is supported by exceptionally long, slender finger joints that act as a flexible wing frame. To reduce weight, these bones are extremely light. Propulsion comes from powerful muscles in the chest and shoulder, which allow the bat to continuously push air down and move forward. Launching into flight is energy-intensive, so bats utilize a unique strategy: roosting entirely upside down. By hanging inverted, a bat can instantly drop into a fall to escape predators or bad weather, gaining immediate flight speed without an initial jump. To prevent blood from pooling in the head while they rest, bats utilize specialized internal veins that act as a biological failsafe, keeping blood moving properly throughout the body. Every physical trait, from elongated fingers to specialized blood flow, represents a direct biological solution to the constant pressure of gravity. Once airborne, the bat faces a second hurdle: navigating and finding food in the pitch-black night. To manage this, bats are divided into two main categories based on their primary senses: microbats and megabats. Microbats hunt tiny, erratic insects in the dark, utilizing a biological form of sonar called echolocation. They emit incredibly fast, high-pitched pings, up to 500 sounds a second, at frequencies far beyond the range of human hearing. This diagram illustrates how the sounds bounce off objects and echo back to the bat. By interpreting these signals, the animal creates an instant audio-topographical map of its surroundings to track prey. Megabats take a different approach, navigating tropical forest canopies to search for stationary food like fruit and nectar. This comparison highlights the distinctively large eyes of the long-haired fruit bat. It is a common misconception that bats are blind. In reality, megabats possess highly effective night vision. In addition to their sight, megabats rely on a highly developed sense of smell to locate food within the dense canopy. Whether utilizing advanced acoustic mapping or enhanced optical vision, bats possess the precise sensory tools required to dominate the darkness. The combination of specialized flight anatomy and real-time sensory mapping gives the bat a level of aerial agility rarely seen in other mammals. In a high-speed chase, a bat can navigate a complex maze of tree branches, performing rapid corkscrew dives to intercept a single insect. Their precision is so refined, they can skim inches over a body of water and take a drink without ever breaking flight. Seasonal change introduces a different set of survival demands. When temperatures drop and insects vanish, primary food sources disappear for months at a time. In cool climates, many bats adapt by entering hibernation, a state of deep sleep designed to hoard every drop of energy. By gathering in large groups inside caves, bats cool their core body temperature and drastically slow their heart rate, surviving the winter without eating. Their biology is optimized for two extremes: the high-speed agility of a nightly hunt and the metabolic endurance required to survive the seasons. The bat's radical anatomical redesign is one of the most successful evolutionary strategies on Earth. This success is evident in their diversity, with over 950 distinct species of bats found worldwide. This pie chart illustrates the scale of that success. Because of their mastery of the sky, bats now account for a full 1/4 of all known mammal species on the planet. By completely rewriting the physical rules of mammalian life, the bat bypassed the limitations of the ground and successfully colonized the air.